Hey guys, Sam here with Renaissance Firearms Instruction, here today to take a look at Mirzon grip modules for the Sig P320. Today we're going to be shooting 124 grain jacketed hollow points from Black Hills. If you're not familiar with Mirzon, they make very high quality aftermarket grip modules for the Sig P320.
We're going to clear the gun for the bench, so there's no magazine in the gun and there is no ammunition in the chamber.
There are a few main differences between the standard Sig P320 grip module and the Mirzon grip module. You're going to have rubber inserts on the front and rear of the grip, which really help get a solid grip on the gun. And you're going to have these serrations here on the front of the frame.
These serrations appear on both sides of the frame. The serrations on the front of the frame help with recoil by giving the shooter a stable place to put their thumb. The Mirzon grip module helps keep rapid streams of fire on our Caldwell steel target. The stock X5 grip module feels pretty good, if not a bit blocky. The absence of front thumb serrations on the X5 stock frame can be felt while firing. You can see here that the thumb sometimes slips out of place while shooting the stock X5 frame. Opening the box, this is how you will receive the Mirzon module, minus the magwell extension, which came from the stock X5 module. The Mirzon grip module's ability to take both the X5's magwell and its grip weight make it even more comfortable during manipulation and firing. The rubber inserts in the Mirzon grip module make for a much more stable shooting platform than the stock X5's grip module. The rubber inserts really soak up recoil and help to keep the gun stable during target transitions. The stock X5 grip module does have a generous undercut beneath the trigger and nice texture on the grip, but the texture is too sparse on the frame. Comparing the two grip modules, the Mirzon module is slightly shorter in length, sporting just 2 less rail segments than the stock X5 module. That being said, there's plenty of space on the Mirzon module's rail for any accessory you might want to put on it. The Mirzon grip module even has some serrations on the bottom of the trigger guard to further solidify the shooter's grip. Overall, the Mirzon grip module is a must-have addition to any high-performance P320 build. This video was shot at CGG Range and Training Complex near Asheboro, North Carolina. If you're anywhere in central North Carolina and you're looking for a top-notch range to shoot at, CGG Range and Training Complex can provide great facilities. They also regularly hold all kinds of matches.